Meaning of dietary.
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 Dietary. The term dietary is an adjective that relates to the consumption of food or a person's diet. It specifically refers to the nutritional content of food and its effect on health. A dietary approach is often used to achieve certain health goals, such as weight loss, management of chronic diseases, and overall improvement in well-being. Adopting a healthy dietary pattern can reduce the risk of various conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. A balanced and nutritious diet that meets individual needs is essential for maintaining good health.